Indian Secret Hair Growth Oil stops hair fall, adds volume and shine to your hair. For long, thick hair. Stimulates hair growth, a secret natural home remedy. For damaged hair. These are the ingredients. They all strengthen and nourish, as well as promote hair growth and adds volume and shine. Starting off with fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds have several benefits for hair health. Here are some effects of fenugreek seeds on hair. 1. Hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins, nicotinic acid, and large amounts of lecithin, all of which are beneficial for promoting hair growth. These components help strengthen hair, as well as prevent hair loss, add volume, and dandruff. Rosemary can have several benefits for hair. Conditions and softens hair. Rosemary can help condition and soften hair, leaving it smooth and shiny. It can also help detangle hair and reduce frizz. Dried hibiscus offers several benefits for hair. Here are a few simple ones. 1. Nourishment. Dried hibiscus is rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. 2. Strengthens hair. The nutrients present in dried hibiscus help stir Cloves offer several benefits for hair. Here are a few. 1. Promotes hair growth. Cloves are rich in nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help stimulate hair growth and improve overall hair health. 2. Prevents hair loss. The nutrients in cloves help strengthen the hair follicle. And lastly, bay leaves. Bay leaves offer several benefits for hair. Here are a few. 1. Hair growth stimulation. Bay leaves contain essential nutrients that help stimulate hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. 2. Dandruff treatment. Bay leaves have antifungal and antibacterial properties. And of course, our main ingredient, coconut oil, that likes magic for hair. Coconut oil offers numerous benefits for hair. Here are a few. 1. Deep conditioning. Coconut oil is an excellent natural conditioner that deeply moisturizes the hair, leaving it soft, smooth, and manageable. 2. Hair growth promotion. The vitamins and essential fatty acids present in coconut oil. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon bay leaf, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon dried hibiscus flowers, 1 tablespoon dried rosemary, ½ tablespoon cloves, and 1 cup coconut oil. Boil on medium heat for 15 minutes. Stir it well. Until this color. Then filter your oil. Hair growth oil is a popular product that is known for its numerous benefits in promoting healthy hair growth. Here are some of the advantages of using hair growth oil. 1. Nourishes the scalp. This oil contains essential nutrients and vitamins that nourish the scalp, providing a healthy envy. 2. Stimulates hair follicles. Hair growth oil contains ingredients that stimulate the hair follicles, promoting increased blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, encouraging hair growth. Strengthens hair strands. The use of hair growth oil can strengthen the hair strands, reducing breakage and split ends. The oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing moisture and strengthening the hair from within. 4. Improves hair texture. This oil can improve the overall texture of the hair, making it softer, smoother, and more manageable. It helps in reducing frizz and adds shine to the hair, giving it a healthy and lustrous appearance. 5. Reduces hair loss. It can help in reducing hair loss by strengthening the hair follicles and preventing breakage. It also nourishes the scalp, which can help in reducing hair fall caused by dryness or scalp candidity. And lastly, 6. Enhances hair volume. Regular use of hair growth oil can improve the volume and thickness of the hair. It strengthens the hair strands, adds body to the hair, and promotes healthy hair growth, resulting in fuller-looking age. Apply this from roots to ends. Make sure to massage well your scalp. This is the key for healthy hair growth. Apply it on the ends. Also, then leave for 2 to 3 hours with shower cap, then rinse with your normal shower routine.